Hello traders, I'm back here with my best Forex intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today we had amazing volatility and most of my traders banked beautiful pips. Today is the 20th of April 2021 and Tuesday. Let me share with you how I analyze and how my traders banked beautiful pips today. Let's dig into the system. Just quickly recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and help my traders to bank beautiful pips every single day using this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move on to three major currency pairs as I always do. Euro USD, we had a nice beautiful short trades today and long, and let me share with you the yesterday, as you have seen, we were long and today we were short. And let me share with you the today's intraday analysis of Euro USD this morning. As you can see here, we were long, make a few pips. We had a beautiful long here from here, bank beautiful pips. As you can see, based on the momentum, I did analysis at the London morning session, but I also did analysis yesterday. Let me share with you that analysis. This was the you can see here, triangle pattern breakout, beautiful. As soon as this morning we banked some profit, and afterwards I did also another analysis, pullback long. As soon as the price hit in 4 hour the major resistance level, that's when we announced to bank some profit. And afterwards, as you can see here, as soon as the price reversed, then we explained to trader because we were watching in 4 hour, and as you can see here, the price respected here and respected here in 4 hour. So we were expecting a short trade, but we need a valid technical entry. As you can see, we have another beautiful triangle pattern develop, and that's why we explained to trader to take a short trade. And afterwards, once that trade is done at the New York session, you can see here we have did another analysis. As you can see here, as first priority would be look at the momentum was developed bearish, so we're expecting another pullback short here. You can see here price nicely developed pullback short here, another one. As soon as the price hit to the first target, that's why we announced to bank some profit. So you can see we had from here to here, we had a 2 intraday trades, short trades on Euro USD bank beautiful pips. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. We had a quite interesting trades. Let me share with you. You can see the whole journey of pound dollar. You can see here is here at the bottom. You can see here all these analysis. Let me share with you one by one. So this morning, this is the analysis. Look for pullback long, first priority. We had a bank beautiful pips, and then I did another analysis after banking some pips. Look for this breakout, then we bank another beautiful breakout pips, and at the New York session did another analysis short bank, and right now you can see we bank beautiful pips. So as soon as the price progress, we see if there's any pattern in intraday, we broadcast that information instantly. So let me share with you the whole analysis, intraday analysis all together now. So you can see here this morning we had this sorry guys, let me make it smaller. So we have this in 4 hour breakout, bank beautiful pips, price hit to the major big psychological number 140,000 area, and then we're expecting a short. As you can see here, let me share with you this morning, this is the analysis, pullback long, and afterwards once the price develop a triple top, as you can see in intraday, you can see here we have triple top here, and I did this analysis, look for this breakout, and as explained to my traders, safest way to break and retest, that's gonna give us the confirmation. You can see here breakout is performed, and this is the retest. Look at the bottom, momentum bearish, and that's what I announced through live ID commentary. My traders, it's time to ride the horse and bank beautiful pips. You can see beautiful, and this was our first target which price nicely hit. So we bank beautiful pips, and afterwards in 4 hour you can see here beautiful pattern for give us the significant sign for bearish. And as soon as the New York session, I also did another analysis. As you can see here, we already had this breakout, bank beautiful pips at the New York session. I update this analysis, intraday analysis, based on the 4-hour. I explained to my trader, look, continuity short until the price gonna hit this level, around this level. So we're gonna be keep taking a pullback, and that's what I explained to my traders. As you can see, exactly in 4-hour in intraday, you can see here price came back and respected at this level, and then afterwards explained to all pullback. So you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the support level, this is the first target, and also around this daily support level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, all this journey we had a multiple trades. You can see here most of my traders bank 100 plus pips today, guys. Amazing trades. So as you can see, yesterday we had a beautiful long, today we had a beautiful short, and from here to here the whole journey is here in front of you guys. And that's why we do analysis live in real time, helping traders and giving them feedback and explaining them every time when the price develop pullback. They also get the alert, they also get the updates through live audio commentary. So make sure they keep banking profit. All right guys, so this is the pound dollar. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD, you can see here, beautiful long trade today. This morning we had a beautiful analysis. Let me explain to you. This is the analysis. Okay, so this morning, as you can see at the London morning, we explained to traders to look for pullback at this level, which price nicely developed a pullback. We had a short trade, but we came out at the break even. Then what we were watching in 4-hour, I said to my traders that the price is at the major support area, so possibility of price reverse. And if the price is going to reverse, then we should not be waiting for the pullback. We should be taking a long trade here, and the target would be this level, because at the in intraday you can see here inverted head and shoulder pattern, which we explained to trader. By the way, this pattern, one of my traders, he rectified it, and most of the traders banked beautiful pips. Even in 4-hour, you can see here inverted head and shoulder. Let me delete this one. You can see inverted head and shoulder pattern. That give us the significant information that the price is going to, once we see this candle, then we explain to my trader, if the price gonna break above the previous high, we should be taking a long trade here, and then we should be keep taking a pullback long, because I can see the price might going to break this major structure. And that's what exactly happened. Not about just doing this thing, we continuously monitoring in intraday. That's what exactly we did. If you look at here, once we banked the profit at the New York session, I did another analysis, explained to my trader, if the price gonna break the previous high or previous low, more likely you're gonna be price might gonna break the previous high, because we can see the momentum was developed bullish and the price was at this level. As soon as the price came back and retest and break this level, as you can see the price broken this level, and that's what momentum bullish. That's what I might explain to my traders to bank some profit, and they had a nice beautiful long trade and bank beautiful pips, and then take another long trade here and bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, we had us based on the 4-hour, we analyze market in intraday to refine our entries and exit, and that's what happened every single day. And that's why you have seen all of my analysis, the whole journey of 4-hour we explain in intraday and bank beautiful pips, and that's what happened. And most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. As even you can see here, one of my traders bank 100, and you can see 106 pips, and still one of the trade is open. As you can see here, if you look at here, this one again, Euro USD is still open. And if I show you the open price, you can see this was the trade, and based on the analysis, based on this analysis, you can see here he already banked couple of pips with the Euro USD. As you can see here, most of them bank beautiful pips, all nice beautiful pips, 106 pips. And that's what happened. Most of my traders bank beautiful pips. We had all of the analysis, we had amazing trades. Pound yen, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here pullback short here, and if I show you the analysis, you can see here this was the pullback long, and afterwards another breakout pullback short, and afterwards at the New York session explained my traders the price developed downside channel, and we should be keep taking a pullback short here, and he's taking a short trade. As you can see, we had amazing trades, beautiful pips, all of my traders. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market, with the live intraday analysis, to develop their trading skill in a real-time trading environment and find a good traders, so that we can invest on trading funds. We can allocate trading funds to those traders. So if you are interested, or if you would like to develop your trading skill, this is the platform. Even if you are experienced trader, if you have seen that all of my analysis is 100% based on the price action, so most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.